guys, it's Brandy with Eternal Harvest Home Decor, and today I'm here to give you a little update on my herringbone peel and stick wall. It's been a year and I've learned some things, so stick around. Okay, so those of you who have watched the video of the herringbone tile process, you know that I just tacked these up with some brad nails. I didn't want to use adhesive because I wanted to make it removable in case we moved. We were kind of thinking of doing so, and I didn't want to have to deal with patching up drywall afterwards or messing around with that. Now, it's worked really well for about a year, but now I'm just now, as the season's changing, I'm starting to get some peeling that's going on with the tiles. The adhesive that comes on the back of these peel and stick tiles is not strong enough to put them on a wall and keep them there safely. I'm gonna flip you around really quickly and I will show you top to bottom what we're looking at. I'm starting to get some that are starting to peel up away from the wall. There's one, let's see, focus. There's one right there. And this big guy right here is starting to peel up, and you can see where I tacked it in with the brad nail right here. But it is starting to pull away, even though they are tacked in with brad nails. And there's about 4 of them. Which obviously is a problem if you want this to be a wall that can withstand time. So that being said, and I know that I mentioned this in the video that I did, if you really want this to be a long-term wall that you don't have to mess with, that you're not worried about having to take it down from, use adhesive. There's a bunch of Gorilla Glue, Titebond glue, there's lots of different kinds of adhesives that you can use. You can give yourself a dot a couple places down the tile and then spread it out as you press and stick these on. And that will hold it really well for a very long time. But if you ever have to move or remove these tiles, it will probably pull off some of the drywall. Because we're getting ready to put our house up for sale, I'm gonna be removing this entire wall, which makes me really sad because I love it so much. And from the front view, it still looks so beautiful. Honestly, for a few days, I've just come in and pushed these back on. And it's held up for a little while. But if I wanted it to be secure and long-term, it would need some adhesive. So I'm probably gonna rip this entire wall down and I'm gonna be replacing it with another decorative feature wall. Okay. And that's a wrap. That's pretty much all I wanted to tell you guys. I really wanted to give you this update video, let you know what's been happening after a year with the wall. I've had a lot of comments like, yeah, but how does it really look? Has it really held up after a year? Has everything fallen off and you're just faking it? Not faking it. Nothing fell off the wall. It's about to, but it hasn't in a year's time. And I really do love this wall. But I think adhesive would have been the better way to go, and I want you guys to be able to trust and know what's really happening with the projects that I put out and that I give to you. So this is the honest review year after, how it's doing. And if you're gonna do it now, make sure you use adhesive. And I will make sure and link this video to my previous one, which explains how and what products and everything that you need to make this beautiful herringbone wall. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Hopefully you appreciated this new info. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have a lot of fun things coming. New feature wall is one of those things. And I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the videos, give me your comments and your opinions. Thanks so much. Have a great day.